Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share referral code on GCash. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the GCash app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner to access your account settings. Next, scroll down to your profile page and look for the referral friend option. This is where GCash allows you to refer others and share your unique referral code. If you see the Refer a Friend button, tap on it, and you'll be able to view your referral code right away. You can then copy the code and share it directly through social media or messaging apps to invite friends. However, if you don't see the Referral Friend option, it means GCash is not currently offering the referral program to your account. In that case, you can just check back from time to time because GCash may bring back the option after some time. If available, you'll also be able to view your referral history, share the referral code, track successful referrals, and see any rewards you've earned from inviting others. So that's basically how you can share referral code on GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!